Discover the heart and warmth of your home with the Chimney Chap. Serving Duxbury, Plymouth, and Cohasset, our team specializes in everything from chimney cleaning and inspections to fireplace repair and installation. Whether you're cozying up with a wood stove or updating with a gas or pellet insert, we're your local go-to experts. With our reliable and friendly service, your fireplace will be ready for memorable moments. Curious about how we can help transform your space? Call for info and let's make your home the perfect haven.